Hi there, I'm Adrian Lee from Auckland. Recently purchased a Jacuzzi 575 Spa, really enjoying it. Yeah, it's met all of our expectations, I have to say. So the reason we picked the model that we did was I think we really liked the seating configuration. So it's a really good size. We thought it could, comfortably fit 6 or 7 adults, and certainly with a smaller number 4 or 5, there's lots and lots of space. Particularly for myself, I like the lying position where you can get a full body sort of jet massage. I'm a bit of a cyclist, so coming back after a long ride, it's really great to hop in there and get the full body experience. To be honest, I was really impressed with the jets. That was another reason that we went for this particular pool. It's got lots and lots of jets, and the jets are incredibly powerful. You've got some great little options to turn up the pressure on either side of the spa. If you want to sit in one particular corner, which is what I like to do, where you can get a full body effect, then you can turn up the power or the pressure on that particular side and really get a very sort of rigorous kind of massage type experience, which is, as I say, if you've done some exercise, it's a great way to wind down and relax the muscles. The installation process was really easy, I have to say. We had quite a complicated installation because the spa pool actually had to be craned over the top of the house. But to be honest, all of the trouble was taken away from us in terms of the organization. The crane people came, like a week in advance and did a survey and worked out exactly how they were going to do it. And then on the day, everything went like clockwork. We had a full installation process from the spa company, and basically at the end of it, there was a fully functional spa with everything set up in terms of the controls and the panel. After a very brief training session from the installers, it was away we go, and really easy to use and pretty straightforward, to be honest. The tub that we have is actually what they call an iTub, so it can connect to a mobile network, and then you have an app, which is really cool. So, for example, if I'm in the office and decide I want to go home and have a spa that evening, if I can see what the current temperature of the spa is, and if I want to increase it or decrease it, I can do all of that via the app. So by the time I get home after a hard day in the office, it's all there perfectly ready. So it's a really great piece of functionality for sure. And I think it also allows you to run the spa at a lower temperature and save some electricity, then controlling it, putting it up at a point when you know you're going to want to use it that particular evening. It's great. Oh, look, I mean, I think it's a great investment. We toyed up with the idea of a spa versus a swimming pool. There were some challenges with actually fitting a swimming pool into our section. It was always going to be a bit compromised. We decided to go for the spa and actually spend the money and get something that was at the higher end of the options. I just see that with a spa, you're going to get so much more use out of it than a swimming pool through the winter. For us, in terms of what we're looking for, the relaxation part of it, the massaging the muscles after exercise. There's so many kind of elements of use that you get from a spa that you don't get from a swimming pool, and the fact that it's warm and you can use it 365 days of the year. So that, for me, was the main driver, and with no regrets, it's everything that we expected, and I would highly recommend someone, if you're interested, go check it out, do your research, and see what you think.